I take this opportunity to say big thanks to Pradnya and her team has been there for me in my weight loss journey. I will thanks to my mentor Mridula in this journey also. I am 53 and I started my weight loss journey in June 2022. I was 79 and it was an alarm to me because as my all my parameters like high cholesterol, then skin discoloration and triglyceride were high. And being a cancer survivor, it is challenging to manage and to control all these parameters. But intermittent fasting turns a miracle to me. In this journey, there were hurdles, there were outings, parties, get togethers, festivals, but Mridula always guided me what to eat and what not to eat. So, this made my journey very easy. At the same time, I built a confidence. My vascular fat was also came down. It was possible just with a ghar ka khana, no supplements, no fancy food, and with my monthly budget.